Opening hook, start with an attention-grabbing statement or question related to earning money. Example, hey there, everyone. Have you ever wondered how to boost your income and achieve financial freedom? Well, you're in the right place. Brief introduction, introduce yourself and briefly explain the purpose of the video. Example, I'm your name, and today, I'll be sharing some practical strategies and tips on how to earn money. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or ways to make passive income, this video has you covered. Section 1, Traditional Income Streams. 15 to o'clock. Full-time job, discuss the importance of a stable job as a primary income source. Example, first and foremost, having a steady full-time job provides a reliable income foundation. It's essential for covering your basic living expenses. Career advancement, highlight the significance of career growth for increased earnings. Example, don't forget about the potential for salary increases and promotions. Continuously invest in your skills and strive for advancement within your field. Section 2, Side Hustles and Freelancing. 200-430. Side hustles overview, explain the concept of side hustles and their benefits. Example, now, let's explore the world of side hustles. These are additional income streams that you can pursue outside of your regular job. Examples of side hustles, provide specific examples of side hustles, for example, freelancing, consulting, online gigs. Example, consider freelancing on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, offering services aligned with your skills. Section 3, Passive Income Streams. 4:37 o'clock. Definition of passive income. Define passive income and its advantages. Example, passive income is money earned with little to no effort on your part. It's like making money while you sleep. Investing, discuss the importance of investing in various investment options. Example, investing in stocks, real estate, or mutual funds can generate passive income over time. It's a way to make your money work for you. Section for Online Opportunities. 7:09 o'clock. Online business, explore online business opportunities and the potential they offer. Example, consider starting an online business, whether it's e-commerce, affiliate marketing, or creating digital products. Content creation, touch in the potential for earning through content creation, blogging, YouTube, podcasting. Example, platforms like YouTube not only offer a creative outlet, but also opportunities for monetization through ads and sponsorships. Conclusion, 9:00-10:00. Recap, summarize key points discussed in the video. Example, to sum it up, diversify your income streams, explore side hustles, leverage passive income, and tap into online opportunities to maximize your earnings. Encouragement, offer words of encouragement and motivation. Example, remember, the journey to financial success is unique for everyone. Find what works for you and stay committed to your goals. Call to action, invite viewers to comment, share their experiences, and subscribe for more content. Example, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more tips on building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Until next time, you're sign off.